It's been a roller coaster, but you stay.
Vlogging from SM City Clock Mall. That's the new little selfie attraction they have there. They always have some like new little thing to take selfies. And it's Tuesday. So I'm thinking Mr. Taco for lunch. Taco Tuesday. Alright, let's keep walking. They have these little rocking chairs here for the elderly to sit. Filipino culture really respects their elderly.
I'm taking over for the day, 'cause I can be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause I now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. Go. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. And I'm losing my mind for the days, 'cause you and I will never.
So come to the Philippines if that's your dream. Make it a reality. There's something for everybody in the Philippines. Doesn't matter what your budget is. Just pack your bags, buy your ticket, and come. Because it's great. I've been hanging out at the mall a lot lately because my girlfriend's trying to get a job. So I'm waiting for her right now while she's applying for a job. So I'm being a regular foreigner here, hanging out in a nice, comfortable, air-conditioned mall. But I really like SM Clark Mall. It is really nice. Nice place to hang out. If you want the comforts of America. So even if you're worried about living in a third world country, don't worry about it. There's plenty of places here that'll make you feel like you're back at home. So I highly recommend, if you're watching this video and you're watching other videos about coming to the Philippines, you're thinking about it, you're dreaming about it, you want to do it, whatever it is that's keeping you from doing it, don't worry about that. In fact, if there's anything that you're wondering about, leave a question in the comments and I will try to do a video to address that. Because I want to answer the questions that you guys have here on my channel the best way that I can. Because I used to be you. I used to be sitting at home watching YouTube videos about the Philippines. And now I'm here and I can tell you there's a lot of misinformation out there. So I will try to give you the best information I can give you. One of the things that I can say is that it is not as expensive as you think it is. It's not as expensive as other vloggers are saying it is. Everyone has a different standard of life that you know, they want to live to be happy. But you can find something here that works for you within your budget. Trust me. You don't need a $1,500 a month budget. You don't need a $2,000 a month budget. You can do it here on a minimum of $800 a month. And maybe even less if you try.
And I could be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you love me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go.
Well, that was our walk for today, guys. Our SM Mall walk. I really been wanting. Oh, okay, there's a loud motorcycle. I've been wanting to do a walk of SM Mall. I'm just kind of like, I'm not comfortable with like shoving my camera in a bunch of strangers' faces like the other vloggers are. So I kind of filmed from upstairs, looking down. And out here, there's not that many people out here. All right, guys, stay tuned. MK Fitness in the Philippines, living the dream. And it really is the dream. I mean, for me it is. I know there's some vloggers out there saying a bunch of bad stuff, like, oh, they got scammed by some girls, but honestly, if you get in trouble in the Philippines, it's probably your own fault, and those vloggers are probably not telling the whole story. They were probably in the wrong place, doing some wrong stuff, talking to some wrong people, and of course they got scammed, you know? You put yourself in bars and clubs where that's what people do for a living, is scam foreigners, you're gonna get scammed. So, but I mean, you just have to be, just have to have some common sense, just like anywhere else. If you were in the States, just, you know, don't walk down a dark alley and expect not to get murdered. So, that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Like, share, subscribe. And thank you for watching MK Fitness in the Philippines.